Uh, mm, being in the limelight, or obviously बात है, I can relate to it because I'm a nepo baby also.
Thank God.
Thank God,
Thank
yeah.
God.
There's nothing wrong in being a nepo baby as long as आप अपने काम के पक्के हैं.
Yeah,
I think
definitely.
लोग आपको देखते हैं और लोग आपसे बड़ा कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. अच्छा ये तो वहाँ से है. अच्छा. What was your early memories of belonging to that public limelight?
I think because I was constantly surrounded by like literally everybody in my family being from the industry. So my dada was a writer. My aunt is an actress. My mom's an actress. My dad's an actor. So, I was always either growing up on set or seeing how people are working or like, being behind the scenes of like, dada sitting on his bed writing scripts and stuff. So there was always this, it never felt like it was a different world until I would meet normal, regular families and regular people until I was like, oh, ye normal hai, ye normal nahi hai. Or I think getting used to it wasn't that hard, to be honest. I think when जब आप कहीं बड़े होते हो तो आपको वैसे भी एक आदत पड़ जाती है. But I don't know. It was just, it was fine until like there was people in my school who started like bullying me and stuff. And it was just one of those things ke like.
Bullying in what sense? I mean, कि मतलब you belong to a famous family या कि अच्छा जी तो बड़ी अम्मा टीवी पे आती है और ये वो this.
I mean, it was never talked about कि like किस basis पे मैं bully हो रही हूँ. But I think as I grew older, I was like, okay, maybe it was that. Because obviously when you're a kid in like what 3rd, 4th grade, आपको इतना अंदाजा नहीं होता कि आप किस बात के बारे में आप annoy हो रहे हो किसी और के ऊपर. So I just assumed that back then I just assumed कि like, oh, I'm just a weird kid and like, people don't understand me and that's why they bully me. But like as I grew older, I was like, oh, it was because of the status of the family and the mom being famous and the dad being famous and like constantly being in that stuff. So I don't know. I still kind of go back and forth on that reasoning, but I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out.
I think because what you said was कि normal for us was very different. हमारे लिए कि अच्छा जी we have working parents, अम्मा भी कर रही हैं काम, अब्बा भी कर रहे हैं काम. Normality है. मगर दूसरों के घरों में जाके पता लगता था नहीं, this is not normal. जहाँ bullying की बात है वहाँ कुछ हद तक ये भी होता है कि आप फिर अपने पेरेंट्स से थोड़ी सी वो खफा भी होना शुरू हो जाते हैं कि
get a little resentful. Yeah.
Did it come to a point where you just told your parents कि listen, this is not normal or this is affecting me in any way?
No, because I don't think that it was their fault. I think I always ended up blaming the kids mostly because like I was like ऐसा नहीं था कि I didn't have normal like fun nice friends who were supportive and who were nice. But there were more people that didn't really like me as much compared to the people that did like me. So I always ended up kind of just blaming them for it and being like, if they don't like me, then that's their problem. You know what I mean? I obviously like as a kid going through bullying, like you do end up kind of internalizing that stuff and you're like, अच्छा सही है, like मेरी वजह से होगा या मैंने कुछ किया होगा ये होगा वो होगा.
But फिर that thing stays inside.
It does.
I mean, और फिर वही वाली बात है कि ऐसी चीजें फिर आगे जाके trauma and everything.
Exactly.
And it does affect your mental health also.
Yeah, it did for a very long time until at least I was like, I mean, it caused me to literally fail 5th grade and 7th grade because I couldn't focus. और ऐसा नहीं था कि like bullying in the sense कि वो वाली bullying थी कि oh, haha, तुम, it wasn't like mocking or anything. It was more like physical. So
it was physical?
A little bit, yeah. So
Did
it
you
got
tell
a
your
little...
mother about it?
Yeah, a lot later actually, because when you're younger, so you get a little afraid of like talking to people about it. So you're just like, okay, no, I'm just not going to mention it. But then a lot later when I was in like 5th or 6th grade, I told my aunt, and she was like, basically like, sorry, this is about to get a little traumatic, but like I would have like bruises and stuff on my body and everything because like girls would like bully me a lot because like girls ke apne masle hote hain. So one day like my aunt caught me and she was like, tum hamesha like lambi sleeves or bade bade joote kyun pehen ke rakhti ho? And I'm like, oh, because like whatever. And then one day like my nana came up to her and he was like, she's always wearing sweaters and stuff. Give her something light to wear. So she took me to the other room. She like made me change and stuff. She saw the bruises. She was like, what is going on? And then eventually she like called my mom. My mom told me, like she talked to me. I told her about the whole situation. It was a whole thing in the house. But then eventually it got to the point where uske baad se my confidence was so high ki like nobody could say anything to me after that. Because it was finally something that was dealt with. Had it not been dealt with at that age or at that point, I think मैं अभी भी उसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा उससे बहुत affect होती. But अब I think मैं इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होती हूँ.
And ये कौन से grade की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
I think it started with 5th grade and then it continued on to like 7th grade. And then eventually I kind of, after 7th grade, I moved schools and I like, you know, got into a different school and usme bhi alag, every school, I feel like every age group goes through a certain time
So
where
who
they're...
was your support at this whole time? Because एक तो आपको होता है ना कि अच्छा यार ये मेरी साथ इतना कुछ हो रहा था and this was something extremely serious going on.
Yeah.
So your parents weren't aware of these things?
Yeah, I think mainly because I didn't really want to tell them. It wasn't really something that I wanted to
Were you
stress.
angry at them?
No.
You weren't close to them?
No, I just didn't want to stress my mom out because she already, as a single mom, like she's taking care of me, she's taking care of the house, she's, you know, making sure the bills are paid and all those things. And I think as like a 10, 12, 13-year-old girl, I was a little bit too self-aware for my own liking. So I was a little bit too aware of like acha cheezein aage ke piche kya chal rahi hain, because like she was going through a lot and I didn't want her to obviously like go through more because of me. And then eventually aage jaake, you know, when she did find out, she was like, why didn't you tell me? You should have told me, blah blah. And I was like, yes, you're right.
I think यही मसला होता है हमारे यहाँ ना, हम लोग ने अपनी स्पेशली अपनी अगली जनरेशन की मतलब के बीच में इतना ज़्यादा गैप आ जाता है कि उन लोगों को वो ट्रस्ट ही नहीं होता है, स्पेशली माँ बाप के साथ वो फ्रैंकनेस नहीं होती. और अब हम लोग जिस दौर में रह रहे हैं, मी बीइंग अ फादर आल्सो, एंड रियलाइज के you need to be so alert of what's going on in your kid's life. And उनके साथ दोस्ती करना बड़ा ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज वो दोस्ती अगर नहीं होगी तो वो आपसे बात ही नहीं करेंगे और वो बताएंगे नहीं कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है. और एक तो अब जेन अल्फा जो आ गई उसकी तो मुझे लिंगो भी नहीं समझ आती.
I know, same girl.
But this same girl.
Same girl, me too.
Gen Z.
Yeah.
Oh my God. But this was like, this is something very serious that you went through.
Yeah.
And hats off to you for actually surviving that. And
yeah, but now I look at all my bullies, all of the people that bullied me when I was younger, and I'm like, ha 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 ha. Look where you're at, look where I'm at. Like, it's a little narcissistic to think about that, but hey.
All right, let's talk about you growing up in the public limelight.
Yeah.
कोई चीज़ प्राइवेट नहीं होती ना, जब आप द प्राइस ऑफ फेम फिर ये होता है ना, फिर आपकी हर चीज़ जो है वो पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन, पब्लिक नॉलेज और पब्लिक ये होती है. What point were you comfortable with that?
I think for most of my teen years, I was very like, oh, I want to share everything that's going on in my life, to the point where like I was sharing the dumbest stuff on my Instagram, where, you know, and then there was this phase that I had where I was like a very big One Direction fan. So I was posting a lot of One Direction content for some reason.
अच्छा था One Direction, अच्छा था.
And that was really funny because when I grew up and I went through that, because I've been using the same Instagram for the past, I think since 2012. एक ही Instagram account रहा है मेरा तब से. तो उस पे फिर हर चीज़ शेयर करना, like literally throughout my whole life, me moving to Lahore with my mom, me moving to America with my mom, me coming back from there. And then when I became like 17, 18 is when I was like, okay, I need to stop oversharing on my Instagram.
Yeah.
Even though people really enjoyed it, but वही था कि like nothing was mine, you know.
Nothing is private.
Nothing is private. So आप वहाँ फंस जाते हो कि you're like, अच्छा, is this oversharing or is this the right amount of sharing? Because now if you look at my Instagram, I don't share anything. I only share like cute little selfies and like cute little moments, but like